What if the person everyone used to look down on, or ignore, suddenly shifts their reality? It is the most silent, yet loudest transformation a human can undergo. When you quietly become rich, you don't change, the world changes around you. You start to see the cracks in the mask people wear. You notice how opinions shift, how invitations appear out of nowhere, and how the rules of your relationships suddenly become flexible. Most people never experience this because they are too busy telling the world they are succeeding, rather than quietly building the foundation of actual wealth. If you have ever wondered why some people seem to command respect the moment they enter a room, or why others are constantly fighting for validation, it comes down to one thing: they have stopped seeking external approval and started building internal power. In this video, we are not talking about showing off. We are talking about the cold, hard psychological shift that occurs when you stop playing for status and start playing for ownership. When you quietly become rich, the dynamic of every single interaction in your life will flip. And you need to be prepared for what you are about to see. The first thing you will notice is the mask drop. When you were struggling, people were comfortable. They could offer you pity, they could offer you advice you didn't ask for, and they could feel better about their own lives by comparing themselves to you. But when you become wealthy quietly, that dynamic is destroyed. You will see who was genuinely rooting for you and who was just keeping you around to feel superior. The resentment will be subtle, a backhanded compliment here, a sudden distance there. You will realize that many of your friends were only friends because your struggle made them feel safe. Once you have arrived, you will be surprised at how many people suddenly want to partner with you or share a business opportunity. When you were working on your dreams alone, they called you crazy. Now that you are successful, they call you a genius and want to be part of the vision. This is the moment you must realize that their interest isn't in your well-being, it is in your leverage. You will learn to say no more than you say yes. You will become a master of guarding your energy. When you have resources, people treat you with a different kind of baseline respect. You don't have to explain your logic anymore, people assume it is sound. They listen more, interrupt less, and value your time. It is a harsh reality, but wealth serves as a social amplifier. It doesn't make you a better person, but it makes your voice louder. You will notice that doors that were previously locked, or didn't even exist, are suddenly standing wide open. The most powerful tool you have is your silence. When you don't broadcast your wealth, you don't invite the jealousy, the parasites, or the judgment. You stay under the radar, which allows you to build even faster. You learn to watch, listen, and analyze people without them knowing that you already have the answer. This creates a massive psychological advantage. You are no longer reacting to the world, you are observing it. You will start to filter your entire circle based on utility and alignment. Do these people add to your growth, or are they just anchors? You will find yourself naturally distancing from people who thrive on drama and gossip. You are now playing a high-stakes game of building a legacy, and you don't have time for the low-level noise that occupied your 20s. This isn't about being arrogant, it's about being intentional. The people who truly matter, the people who are playing the same game, will treat you differently. They will start to treat you as an equal. The conversations will change from, "What do you do?" to, "What are you building?" You will move from being a consumer in the room to being a contributor. This is the ultimate level of the game. You are no longer seeking to belong, you are creating spaces where others want to belong. Now, as your influence grows, you must also master the art of financial stealth. You will find that when you stop flaunting your net worth, the quality of your relationships shifts from transactional to genuine. People stop looking at you for what you can provide and start looking at you for who you are. This silence protects you from the bottomless pit of social expectations. You will notice that the less you say, the more power you hold. When you don't feel the need to justify your lifestyle, you stop carrying the heavy weight of other people's opinions. Furthermore, you will encounter the gatekeeper shift. People who previously control your access to opportunities will now come to you seeking access to your network. This is where you test your character. Do you become the same type of gatekeeper, or do you build a bridge for those actually hungry for change? By staying grounded while you rise, you create a magnetism that attracts high-caliber individuals. They want to be around someone who built their empire in the shadows, not someone who needs the spotlight to feel validated. Additionally, remember that wealth is not just about the money in your account, it is about the sovereignty of your daily schedule. You will start to appreciate the freedom of absence, the ability to walk away from any room, any deal, or any conversation that does not align with your vision. This is the ultimate luxury. Most people remain shackled to their environment because they fear being forgotten. When you are quietly rich, you realize that being forgotten by the masses is a blessing, because it leaves you more time to be remembered by the people who truly move the needle in your industry. Ultimately, becoming wealthy quietly gives you the only thing that actually matters: options. You don't have to tolerate toxic workplaces. You don't have to explain yourself to family members who don't understand your vision. You don't have to stay in environments that drain you. You are, for the first time in your life, truly free. People might whisper, they might speculate, and they might try to define your success, but none of that matters. You know the truth. You know the sacrifice, the late nights, and the discipline it took to get here. Stay quiet. Stay focused. Keep building. Because the moment you let the noise of the world distract you, you lose the very leverage that made you successful in the first place. You are not building for their approval, you are building for your freedom. And once you have that, you will realize that their opinion was the cheapest thing you ever stopped paying for.